Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a unicorn rainbow cat. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There, now that my two circles in, I'll make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. If you're drawing pretty small, you don't have room, you can just put in one highlight and shade everything else in. And lines at the bottom. Since I'm drawing a little bit bigger, I have enough space. So same thing over here. There, now that my eye is in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, about right here, I'm just going to draw this little triangle for the nose. Just a tiny little one. And then underneath this little triangle, we're going to come straight down. And about right here, we're going to curve up on both sides for the mouth. There. Happy, happy cat, right? Okay, so then now that we have that, we're going to have to frame the face. So let's say the center of our eye, I'm just going to come out and say about here. And I'll just give myself a point on both sides. From there, I'm going to go ahead, and this is where I know this face is going to start. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve around the eye. Just going to widen and then come in right here with a curve. And then let's see here, let's go up first. Then we're just going to bring this up, and I'm just going to drag a point across. It's easier for my hand. Come down on this side. So we're just starting to frame the face. Then from there, before I finish that, I know this is about how high before I start the ears. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead right in the center and draw a curve for our horn. But if you're using a pencil, just draw the ears first before you pop in this horn. And I'm going to come right to the center, so say about this high. Round off my tip and then bring this down. So because I don't want to, I can't erase, I'm using a Sharpie. I'm just going to go ahead and draw this horn first. So I'm going to come in here and just draw some curves for some detail. Okay, so then from there, the top about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So imagine it being overlapped right in the center. About right there, I'm going to draw a curve. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and pop in my ears. So let's see about right here. Go ahead and go up, round off the tip, and bring it down. So same thing over here. Go up, round off the tip, and bring it down. And then right in this area, just imagine this is coming through about right here. Just going to draw a curve and draw the inside of our cat's ear. So same thing here. So take a look at the drawing, and maybe it's easier for you to draw the head first and then put in the eyes. But it's just when starting with the eyes, it's just everything comes together a little bit more in place, I guess you would say. So that's why I kind of start with the eyes. So then from there, let's bring this in. But it's all up to you. Just give it a try, see which way is easiest for you. Okay, so then now that I have bringing in the face, I'm going to come right here, because I know there's a bow that I want to drop it. Like I said, if you're using a pencil, just finish this curve first. But I'm going to stop about right here on the side and draw a circle for our bow. And I'll just pop in this cute little bow right here. But hopefully you're using a pencil at home, and you just go ahead and draw the face first. Then from there, okay, so now I know how much space I have. I'm just going to go ahead and finish it off. There. And then let's come down to about right here. Just going to draw this little collar for our cat. and then we can draw the body. So let's come out, and we just want it nice and centered. So let's say about right here. We're going to come out with an angle. Then let's bring this down, and we're totally simplifying the cat's body. So let's bring this out a little bit more, and say about right here. I'm going to bring it in and bring this in right here. And then in this area, because once again I'm using a Sharpie, if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this shape up. But I'm going to stop about right here towards the bottom, and I'm going to draw a curve, and this is the tail. So notice it's a little bit higher, and I'm going to come down to about right here. So we just want to kind of cover where the feet would be. And then whatever space I have left, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. So then right here in the center, I'm just going to draw a slight angle line. And right here as well. So just an indication of where the legs would be, the front legs. Just maybe make that one a little bit longer. Okay, so then from there, let's come right back here, and we're going to thicken up this tail. So this unicorn cat, right? So it's all about this beautiful tail. So we want to make it nice and fluffy and big. So then from there, now that we have the shape in, I'm just going to come in here and just draw some lines so we can separate it and put in a lot of color. Nope, I bring this out a little bit more. Okay, there. Then from there, almost forgot, let's draw some whiskers, of course. And here. And let's see here. And then of course, let's add a heart. So this is my Draw So Cute, new Draw So Cute rainbow unicorn cat. And that is pretty much it for a simple little cat here. But if you wanted to spruce it up, and which I think we should, right? Because it is a rainbow cat, I'm going to draw a big rainbow behind it. So, but before we do that, let's come next to it, and we're just going to draw zigzag a bunch of grass. So I'm just going zigzag. Okay, so now that we've zigzagged across, and we can even come in here and just maybe we'll do that a little bit later. Let's go ahead. We're going to draw a rainbow. I'm going to attempt to draw this big curve. So let's see here. Let's bring it out a little bit more. Okay, so pretty even. So let's say about right here. And give myself a point, and about right here. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and bear with me here. Draw this big curve over our cat. So I really hope you love this drawing, and it's going to inspire you to have fun with it. And there. Okay, so we have this huge dome over it, and then let's come and say about right here to thicken up our rainbow. So imagine it's coming through about right there. Yay! Okay, so then now that we have that, we let's just put in 6 colors and make it simpler. So I'm going to find my center, the center of my rainbow, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw this curve first. I'm just kind of following whatever I've drawn. So I'll just pretend it's coming through there, and so about right here. Be my center and down. Okay, so then now that I have my center, now I can divide this into 3 and this into 3 as well. So let's go ahead, and we're just going to do that. We're just going to follow what I've drawn. And no, it won't be perfect, but it doesn't matter. We just want a rainbow, right? So we just want these beautiful colors that we can put behind our cat. Okay, so in this one we're going to break into 3. So now I've noticed this is going to have to be a lot thinner. Oh boy. And one more when we're almost there. So hopefully you don't hit anything. Okay, the horn. And yay, we are done. And then let's add some clouds. So let's say about right here. Just gonna pop in a little cloud, one here, and then maybe another one about right here. I can't wait to see your fan art. I really hope you love this drawing. And we can even add, let's see here, let's add some, what should we add? Some dandelions or some flowers? Let's add some flowers. So just go ahead and draw a very simple little flower. I'll just, you know what, let's put another one. I'm always into putting at least odd numbers for some reason. I feel like 2 is, it needs to have an odd number. So here, I think that looks a little bit better. With our 3 flowers, and that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this drawing and that I've inspired you to draw it too fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.